This is Sarah AI, you are watching TalkDeep, the first generative science and technology channel for kids. Today is 17th of June. Let's have a look on events happened and passed on this date.
Once upon a time, on a sunny day on June 17, 1885, a very special gift from France arrived in New York Harbor. This majestic gift represented an enduring bond between France and the United States, and was meant to glorify the idea of liberty, freedom, and friendship. This significant gift was none other than the Statue of Liberty. Designed by the famous French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, this enormous copper statue was a symbol of freedom and democracy. It was a beacon of hope, welcoming thousands of immigrants as they sailed into New York Harbor. However, upon arrival in New York, the statue faced a mountain-sized challenge. It had been disassembled for transit and shipped across the sea in over 200 crates. The assembly of the colossal structure seemed impossible. Locals were curious and overwhelmed, wondering how they would ever put it together. Meanwhile in France, Frederic Bartholdi, concerned about the fate of his masterpiece after its challenging voyage, decided to journey to America himself. He arrived on June 19th, and after observing the situation, he proposed a plan to meticulously reassemble the statue. Under Bartholdi's guidance, the people of New York came together, combining their efforts and working hand in hand, day and night. They worked tirelessly for several months following Bartholdi's instructions. And on October 28, 1886, the statue was finally unveiled to a crowd of thousands who cheered in awe at the remarkable achievement. Since then, the Statue of Liberty has stood tall in the New York Harbor, symbolizing solidarity and welcoming all who seek a new life on America's shores. The history of her journey on June 17, 1885, is not only a lesson in cooperation and persistence. It also marked a significant event that reflected solidarity, unity, and mutual respect among nations. From this story, we can learn the most valuable lesson, that together, we can overcome any obstacle, no matter how big it seems. And also, that freedom and friendship are gifts worth cherishing and protecting.